This year I'm grateful for my student Zoya because I love teaching her and I love getting to learn with her, and I'm also grateful for Nikhil because I get to explore my favorite subject with him. Happy Thanksgiving, guys!
I would like to thank the Fagundes family and the Padrini family for supporting our organization. I have enjoyed every minute spent tutoring your daughters. Thank you.
Hi learning community, I'm Zoe, and this Thanksgiving I'm thankful for my family, my friends, and my dogs. I want to send a special thank you to my student Ziva and her mom Zavine. I look forward to tutoring you every single week, and I can't wait to learn more with you. Thank you guys so much for supporting the Learning Community Project.
I'm really thankful for my student Olivia. She's one of those sweet, intelligent, hardworking, thoughtful, most inspiring people in my life. It's been such an honor tutoring her, and I look forward to watching her grow and learn even more.
I want to say thank you to Grace for always making your sessions fun. It's always really nice to talk to you. And thank you to Izzy and Alexis for editing all my videos and making all our promos.
Hi, I just wanted to recognize both Haley and Isaac, founders and amazing leaders of the Learning Community Project, for all their hard work, and I hope everyone has a super nice Thanksgiving and stays safe and healthy.
Hi, I'm Isabella. I'd like to thank the board members and all of our tutors for being so hardworking, and I'd also like to thank the TLCP community for being so supportive. Happy Thanksgiving!
Hi guys, I'm Adriana, and I am thankful for Isaac and Haley for taking on so much of the workload and really just getting this whole thing started and working great. Thank you guys.
Hi, this is Tuber Maya and the Howard family. I want to thank you so much for supporting our nonprofit during this time, and I am so thankful to be your tutor and to help you and teach you every day. Happy Thanksgiving!
Hi, Meilani. I just want to say thank you for being my student and happy holidays.
Hello, I'm Hailey Miranda, co-founder of the Learning Community Project. I'm very thankful for all of my TLCP family, my friends, my mom, my dad, and my brother.